On February 13th, 2024, SM Entertainment got caught up in controversy regarding RIIZE Wonbin's doll when they unveiled RIIZE official Valentine's Day merchandise. Shared on the RIIZE official X account, 6 distinctive dolls were showcased for online sale. Fans were enthralled with the merch. However, amidst excitement, keen-eyed fans, particularly those devoted to JYP Entertainment's Stray Kids, couldn't help but raise eyebrows over a potential controversy. Allegations emerged that SM Entertainment might have replicated Stray Kids Lilo's design for RIIZE Wonbin's doll, sparking a debate within the fandom. The doll for Wonbin's keyring appeared extremely similar to a design from JYP Entertainment Group's Stray Kids. Stray Kids fans noticed the doll's face and the differently shaped ears looked nearly identical to a character design Lilo drew years ago. An ex-user and a fan of Stray Kids seemed quite upset and took to social media to clear the air with facts. They immediately accused SM Entertainment of stealing Lilo's design. She said, "This issue is getting boring. Let's clear the air with facts." Lilo created the pose. The plushie is very clearly inspired by Lilo's drawing, even the eyes looking up. Why go such lengths to deny the obvious? SM is smart for stealing an idea, and the JYPE is stupid for always disregarding Lilo. The other Stray Kids fans said they completely copied Lilo's cat bunny, even the eyes. Why copy exactly Lilo debuted way before Wonbin and created this cat bunny? Other fans commented, "I'm angry that they want to steal Stray Kids' idea. This is honestly embarrassing." Fans highlighted the striking resemblance in facial features and the unique ear shape reminiscent of Lilo's signature pose, symbolizing a half-cat and half-bunny character, a pose widely recognized among stays. In addition to Wonbin's doll, Stray Kids fans also pointed out that Wonbin has been copying Lilo's signature cat bunny hand pose. Lilo has been using this signature pose since July 2023, while Wonbin started to use the same pose in January 2024. However, everything wasn't it seemed, because the company wasn't the one who created RIIZE dolls. Survivors post and a video clip, RIIZE Anton and Shataro confirmed the members created the doll designs themselves. RIIZE fans pointed out that Wonbin's design for the doll was a coincidence because of the 3 animals used in the design were based on what his fans, members, and friends associated with him. One RIIZE fan said, "I'm still getting the doll, 'cause it's the cutest thing. What do you think? I personally really like Wonbin's doll. I think it's super cute. It does look similar to Stray Kids Lilo's design, but it's still pretty unique, and it really resembles Wonbin. I think it will be a very popular doll for RIIZE fans." Neither SM Entertainment nor JYP Entertainment have addressed this similarity between Lilo's design and Wonbin's doll. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you think Wonbin is copied Li Long, or it's just a coincidence? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.